What's up, guys? Welcome to another video. Happy to have you on here. Today we're going to be discovering another amazing African company, specifically from Cameroon. So today we're going to be discovering Kiroo Games. And so for you to discover Kiroo Games, you can head straight away to their website called kirooworld.com. And so Kiroo Games or Kiroo World is a company which specializes in producing video games, animated graphics or animated shows, and all that has to do with entertainment, with animes or something like that. So it's basically an anime company based in Cameroon. And so Kiroo World or Kiroo Games is very interesting, and they have already released a couple of games already. So you have video games here, you have animations, and they equally have an application you can check out. So on their website, you're going to see, so here we have this. Well, I'm just going to translate the website into English so that we can read. Okay, so now the website is in English. So Kiroo Games, all our games, comics, and apps in one account. We create universes that will always make you smile and inspire you, even when everything around you is difficult. And so they have a mission to provide smiles onto faces of everybody. So as you can see, they specialize in creating games, comics, animations, and equally apps. And so here we have a couple of videos of the different animations and games they have already developed. Here you have a list of the games which are available already that you can buy, purchase, and download. And so here you have a little bit of information about who they are. Here it's an advertisement for recruitment and several other things, several other information. So yeah, so as you can see, let's just check out maybe the recruitment, which was currently going on in 2023. So you could join their team as a community manager and copywriter, content manager. Yeah, so I think the recruitment should be over by now, but let's check out what they do. So entertainment, supporting them, their values, and equally their contact page. So you can definitely check out some of their products on Play Store and all the other app stores as well. You can go ahead and create an account here to have access to the different content. I'm not really sure how well it works, and their website doesn't really provide way too much information, and so I just see basically just a couple of information out here. And so yeah, equally have other companies, as it seems. Kiroo Chop, which I guess is a food company in somewhat what, and their inspiration, they talk about their inspiration. So going through their website, I really don't have a lot of information. I guess they advertise their product somewhere else. Yeah, I just see some videos. So we're just gonna head to their YouTube channel and see maybe what they do over there. So let's go ahead and check it out, their YouTube channel. I'm going to open their YouTube channel and see what they're all about. So yeah, they have close to 30,000 subscribers, and yeah, a couple of videos. They equally have a link to their Instagram page. So yeah, some couple of videos they have already published. The last one is from 2 months ago, and you can see the games they have been working on. Orion is the name, and here you have a couple of other videos as well showcasing their different products and all the rest. Yeah, I'm not really sure on which platform the games are. Their website doesn't provide enough information about what they do or how to have access to those. Yeah, I can see phones, so I'm assuming they should be on Play Store. If you go to their Instagram pages as well, you have different images of the games. So let's just check out the Kiroo Games on Play Store. Yeah, so on Play Store we have, yeah, I guess they've developed an Android game. So on Play Store you can have access to their games, Orion, GF. So you have access to the game. Wow, that's great. Yeah, and you equally see the other games they have developed. Let's just see a full list. And so yeah, they have released 3 games, one which is paid and the others which are accessible for free. So those are the games they have already released. And so that's Kiroo Games for you. Unfortunately, the Kiroo shop is not available, or the connection is private. It's not available. I guess it's another of their startups. Yeah, so that's Kiroo Games. It's an amazing game creation or game company based in Cameroon, and it's one I'm sure I didn't take the time to check out how well those games were doing, so I'm going to look at the number of downloads. They have over 100,000 downloads on this game, and on this they have 50,000 downloads, so I guess it's doing pretty much well. The paid version of the game has just about 10 plus downloads. Yeah, so yeah, I guess it's a decent company. That's one. You can check it out, play a locally made video game, or check out their comics and their animes. I would have wished their video had links to maybe their comics, or links to places where you could purchase all these different services. Unfortunately, I don't see that anywhere here, and it's a pretty simple website. Yeah, I guess it works for them. Anyways, I just wanted you to discover this amazing company out there, Kiroo Games, Kiroo World. You can check it out and make yourself an opinion and check out their games and how well it works. I hope you enjoyed the video. Catch you on the next one.